Okay, a little progress on the little lathe project. Made some handles, made a tool post, which is interesting because I've never seen a tool post in my life. So I had to make one. Came out okay. I haven't tried it yet, but that's where we're at right now. Almost looks like a real machine. Okay, here's a close-up of the tool post. I'll pull the, let me reach in front of the camera and grab the screwdriver. Pull this out. Found these little 1/8" square or 1/8" high-speed steel in the Grizzly catalog. I figured that's what this thing calls for, but in the plans they say take a 1/8" file and grind it to a cutter. But found those, so I don't have to. This is my first attempt at the rocker. Let's see. Can't see that, can you? It's too short, too whatever you want to call it. But hey, what do I know? Took the bolt, found a grinding wheel for the Dremel to give it the dish, and just kind of worked it around. It's still rough because this is the first attempt, and I'm sure I'm going to find something with less of a radius. Less or more. Bigger wheel, let's just put it that way, to make it less dished. And there it is. A little 8x32 screw. Crookeder than shit because I don't have proper tools. I just drilled a series of holes and filed it square. Well, you can't even see that. Like that. Here, I'll show it from this side. Action shot. Ran the file through. It's a little bit wider than it should be, I think. But, I can make another one. Or shim this one. Put it back together. This just bolts on. It's through here with the nut and a bolt. This is a bolt. 5/16. That's just fits on there, and then that slips in there, and the height is somewhat adjustable. I can I can put a washer in between here to raise it up, whatever I need. And then here, let's do it this way. Start that in there. And then fit the tool in. They had a set of 8 different tools. There's that one. There's I think this one's a cutoff. This one here, can't really see, it's in the bag. I haven't pulled them out yet. Offset to the left or to the right, depending on which one it is. Another cutter, straight cutter, like this one, except a different grind on it. And what else? I got them all over the place. Here's another one. All right, this tool slides in here like that. Almost said thusly. And tighten down. And I don't know what the angle needs to be for this, up or down, where the leading edge has got to be, but let's turn this so you can see it from the side. There. I mean, is it? I'm sure it's up, but I don't know what the angle needs to be. There, you can see that. And this is sticking out too far, I'm sure, but no, demonstration. And then present it to the tool. These handles, for the life of me, I can't tap a hole straight, so it wobbles. I don't know if you can see the wobble or not. Get my fat hand out of the way. Take my word for it, it wobbles. What I did was I took a 1/4-28 threaded coupling nut here, and I rounded the outside and then ran the die over it, and then tapped this and then screwed it on. So, you know, this is sticking out far. I don't know. I can bring this in by cutting the coupling nut, moving it in closer. Yeah, so, you know, it's work in progress. This is crooked. This isn't even quite round yet. It's just a piece of 1/4 inch. Same as this. Piece of this 1/4 inch cold rolled. There's my update on my progress on the model maker's lathe. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm sure enjoying it. And we'll see you on the next video. Remember, keep your thumb out of the way.